Hi guys, I'm doing a video on the spot and I have a patient that complained of shingles. I do get a lot of skin disorders over the years and I don't think I've done any videos specifically for skin disorders. So I wanted to just kind of do an intro impromptu video here to share how integrative medicine can help. First I want to share my furry friend here. You all know Princess Annabelle. She's waiting for her evening treat, but we'll get another video out of Princess Annabelle soon. But skin disorders can include eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, and shingles, which can be a very painful nerve condition along the body pathways. And so I'm going to talk specifically about shingles, but just know any of those disorders can be treated with some of the medical spa services I offer here in the studio. You want to look at the camera? Oh, there's Princess Annabelle's eyeball. She's showing off her skin. So anyhow, two main ones that I like to use for skin disorders are wonderful. And one is the infrared heat sauna. With the infrared heat sauna, there's different light therapies in that. I have a really specific, wonderful, oh, excuse me, she's getting into some of my food. Excuse me, everyone. Princess, you eat your own food. Okay. So anyways, like I said, this is an impromptu one, and Princess Annabelle's eating a piece of my scone, which I don't know if that's pet friendly. I don't think carbs are good for the pets. So anyhow, she got a bite. But back to the infrared heat sauna with chromo light therapy. Red light therapy is a great one. There's 7 different light therapies you can choose. But if we're going to pick one specifically for skin disorders, I'm going to have my patients use the red light, which is going to help circulation. It's going to help decrease inflammation, help to detoxify, clear out the heat that is related to skin disorders. And then another service that I have for the med spa services is called the AccuLight Therapy. All of these can be viewed on my website at www.designtoheal.biz. Just click under services, and I don't have it all updated, but I think I have both of those showing. So, and you can also watch my videos on the med spa showing the infrared heat sauna. It's a different type of sauna. It's not a regular sauna like at the gym. It's a very upgraded, gentle heat sauna, which goes very deep. And then, like I said, it has the 7 different light therapies that you can pick depending on what we're treating. Second is the AccuLight Therapy, which you lay on the massage table, and that light has yellow light, blue light, and red light. I think I also have that available in my store for sale. So I'll have to start reviewing my website and make sure things are up to date. But that can also be purchased for people's clinics or home. And you can save a lot of money by having your own AccuLight lamp. And again, we're going to want to use the red light to help treat the eczema. Now, from treating acne with like bacterial wounds, and we can use the blue light. But for rosacea, shingles, that type of thing, eczema, psoriasis, I'm going to be using the red light therapy primarily. But with that light, you can use all 3 lights, which is really cool at the same time, and get a combo of all 3, or a dual light therapy treatment, or a single, and we'd pick the red light. And then also just good old-fashioned acupuncture, treating around, like say if you have a shingles lesion or an eczema, psoriasis lesion, we can surround the area with the needles, and then we can also follow the path of the rash and treat that way. And then there's other just general skin points that we use to help skin conditions, decreasing inflammation, clearing out the heat, depending on what the diagnosis, the type of skin disorder we're treating. Chinese therapy will go in depth with what acupuncture points we choose for our protocols. And then I also use infrared heat, just the basic infrared heat. You can watch that on some of my acupuncture live videos, and that is also very good for skin disorders and helping circulation, detoxing, that type of thing. So the infrared heat lamp can be also utilized. And then there's herbal medicines that I prescribe specifically for the specific skin disorder that we're treating. So there's a specific one that I like to use for shingles, nerve pain, that you can prescribe also for psoriasis, eczema. Great herbal medicine to help, again, decrease inflammation, clearing out heat and swelling in the tissues, and then also to decrease like nerve pain. When you have shingles, you can have a lot of nerve pain and discomfort and itching. It's going to help stop itching, like with eczema and psoriasis, which can be, especially psoriasis is a more itchy condition. So herbal medicine is wonderful. I take probably at least 4 to 5 different herbal medicines on a regular basis daily, and I alter my dosing depending on what I'm treating. If I'm just doing a maintenance dose, or if I'm really going after something, I'm going to take a higher dose. So you can check into my herbal medicine series for that. But I just wanted to touch on highlight some main system disorders that we can treat in Oriental medicine and really get the word out. If you're not able to come in and get the light therapies, you can, or get an acupuncture treatment, I can also, like I said, treat you with the herbal medicines, and I can ship those out to you. I might have some of those in my store, but please reach out so I can consult with you and you get the right prescription, and we do a consultation of your particular skin disorder. I do offer telehealth, and that is also available on my website. And then there's also a lot of different protocols with essential oils for skin disorders. Again, we could also consider auriculotherapy, maybe not needling, but we could do the ear seeds. So a lot of things I can do by telehealth, via on the phone or via Zoom meeting, which is probably more beneficial if we're going to be doing like auricular therapy. So I can show you that. So I hope that helps for people that are suffering from skin conditions. Please know that there's so many alternative plant-based and natural therapies we can utilize in the Oriental medicine world, aka integrative medicine world, aka holistic medicine, many terms, but there's lots of natural ways. You don't have to go on steroids and take, some medications that could be really, have a lot of side effects and create other harmful conditions. So there's a lot of just natural ways we can treat all these different types of skin disorders. So I'm going to give you another little shout out. There's Princess Annabelle. Hopefully we can do a healing touch video with her soon. And so please subscribe to this video, please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to start highlighting different disorders and kind of combine to give everyone just kind of the education out there that there's so many different ways that we can treat, and you can pick and choose, kind of like going to a restaurant, what calls to you specifically, but it can all be very beneficial, and it can all feel really good too. And it's just nice to know that you can resolve these conditions. Some people have suffered from skin disorders for years. Know too that going out in the sun can really exacerbate, make the condition worse. So you really want to stay out of the sun if you're having a heat skin disorder expression. And again, there's many modalities that we can utilize. So I'm here to help you. Please reach out if you have any questions, comments, and please share if you have friends or family out there that you know are suffering from any of these skin disorders. Even just dermatitis, rashes, I've treated those and had great success. So sending you all lots of love and light, healthy skin. So we'll see you soon. Okay, ciao for now.